Good day everyone, in this video I will show you some tips for this watch Casio F94W. And first is how to change from 12 hours format to 24 hours format. To do that, just press this button on the right side. So it now changed from this one, PM, 8 PM. So if we push this button, it changed to 20 for the 24 hours format. Okay, and then the second tips is how to do the LCD check. And to do that, we can press all the three buttons at the same time. So you can hold it like this in this position and then press all the three buttons and it will show this LCD check screen. And then to exit from this LCD check screen, you can press any of these three buttons, but I'm going to press this one. Okay, and then the next one is the Casio Check. So long time ago, this is how to check if your Casio is real or fake. But now, unfortunately, many fake also has this feature. So, sorry to say, it's not the standard test. But yeah, just for fun, we can press and hold this button, the 24 hours or the right button, and hold, and it will shows the word Casio. Okay, and then the last one is for the alarm sound check. To do that, first we need to go to the alarm mode. Okay, this one, AL, and then you can press and hold the right button. It will give a beep sound like this. Okay, but that will change the setting for the alarm, which one is active. So you need to press this button 3 more times to return to the previous setting. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and yeah, press the mode button again. So now we are back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, that's all for the tips. Hopefully this is useful, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.